Hey guys, it's Jake. I wanted to send you guys a quick update. Some of you have already heard, but we're now offering free floor plans on every listing shoot. In the past, these floor plans were something that you could add on for an additional cost. And over the years that I've been doing them, they've actually gotten a lot easier to do, a lot quicker to do, and a lot cheaper to do, which is why finally here in the beginning of February, we made the decision that we're just gonna add them on to every listing shoot for free. There's nothing you need to do.
It's free and it's nonstop.
We used to have a little button that you had to click, yes, I want the floor plans or I want the free floor plans, but now it's just gonna be included. You don't have to ask for it. You don't have to do anything special. So for those of you who don't know about the floor plans, I just wanted to show you guys what they are exactly. So I'm going to show you an example. So really, all we're doing with these is it's maybe 5-10 minutes at the end of the shoot, and we just take our cell phone and we go through the house and scan the walls and the windows. And then overnight, we get these plans processed, and then it spits out these cool 2D black and white floor plans. So this is what one would look like. You can see all the rooms are labeled, and then what's really nice about these is they have room measurements on them. So what a lot of agents are doing now is instead of taking measurements themselves, they just have us do these scans and get the measurements off of the floor plan here. So and that's another reason that we wanted to add them is, you know, we're always trying to provide the most value we can for you guys, and one thing we always saw was people were making an extra trip just to do these measurements. So we thought if we could just add these to every shoot and make it work, hopefully that's going to save all of you a little bit of work on your end. So one thing that's interesting, or not interesting, but good to note is that you're going to get, whenever we do one of these, we're going to deliver these the next day with the photos, and there's going to be 2 identical copies. The only difference is one copy will come without the room measurements. So if for whatever reason you just want to use this floor plan, you know, on the MLS or anything, and you don't want the measurements on there, you're going to have a copy without the measurements. So that's why, you know, it can get a little confusing because they're actually all separated by floor as well. So you can see this home in particular had probably a basement, main level, upper level, and then you're going to get one plan here with all 3 levels. So there does get to be quite a few copies, because for this one you had four pages with measurements and 4 pages without measurements. So I know that's a lot of information, but I've been putting off sending out this email. I just want you to know that you get free floor plans now. If you have any questions, you can reach out anytime and I can help explain a little bit more about them. So thanks, and I'll see you out there.